Alright, number 10. We have log base 3. And again, we have two logs on the same side. So I'm going to go ahead and combine them to be one log. It's going to be multiplication. So it's going to be log of x plus 12 times x minus 12. That's going to be equal to 4. And we're going to write this in exponential form to get rid of this log. So we're going to do raise it to the third power. And that will give us, now this is a difference of squares, so I'm going to go ahead and combine that. So it's going to give me x squared minus 144 equals, this will be 3 to the 4th power. So this is going to give me x squared minus 144 equals, this will be 81. And then if I were to add the 144 to both sides, goes away to 0, so I get x squared equals 5. This gives me 12 to 25. If I was to take the square root of both sides, remember you got to add plus or minus. X would give me a positive or negative 15. And again, remember when we're using logs, we have to make sure that whatever number I plug in is positive. So if I plug in a positive 15, that's good. Positive 15, that's okay. If I were to plug in a negative 15, this will become a negative number. And that would cause me an issue with my original log problem. So we only want to consider the positive 15 as an answer. We would get rid of the negative. (11) is similar. Wants us to solve the log. This time we have natural log, but it's going to work pretty close to the same. I want to get one log on each side. So on the left hand side, I'm going to combine. I have ln. That's going to be x plus 12 and times x minus 5. And then on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and move that 2 up because I need it just to be one log. So I'm going to have ln. It's going to be x squared. So using the property to bring the exponent down, you can also bring it back. So now all the natural logs are the same, so I'm going to get rid of the natural logs. I'm going to solve this. So I'm going to go ahead and FOIL this. X squared minus 5x plus 12. So give us a positive 7x minus 60 equals x squared. Or you subtract the x squareds and they'll both cancel out. So that gives us 7x minus 6 equals 0. Add 6. 7x equals 6. And then you divide by 7. X equals 6 divided by 7. Let me double check to make sure this looks good. X squared. 12x minus 5 is 7x. I put 6. This should be 60. Yeah, this is not going to be good. Maybe if I just change it to 60. 12 times 5, 60. I think everything else looks good. Okay. So 60 divided by 7, and that looks okay.